We're always getting sent Luxie brushes. I mean, well, not brushes, but like, goddamn. Use that mouse. You know, whatever. Hi you guys, it's me, Be Unique, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. Today's video is a little Boxy Charm unboxing / try on. So if you guys are interested in this video, please okay. So I've already opened up the contents, I know, but I wanted to speed up the process. And so, you know, let's just jump right in. Here's a little paper that it comes with. This month's theme is all natural. And as you can see, I am not like full glam, so I'm trying to keep, you know, with the theme. The first one, which I am interested to try on, I am not gonna lie. At first I was like, ugh, but we'll see. The LMS Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Supposed to be nourishing, smoothing, brightens for softer, smoother, radiant skin. Retails for $35. It looks, I don't even know. It might be all the lights, but it's like a light pale green. Okay. And I think it's just supposed to be, like, it's not supposed to dry down. The next is the Butter London Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. Now, I have no idea if this was supposed to come in a box, you know, no pack, because this is how I got it. So, I mean, anybody could have just flipped it and opened it, and it did look on one of the, like, on one of the shadows, the brown shade, that something either swiped it or somebody swiped it. I don't know. These are what the shades look like. I'm gonna use this palette today. This retails for $32. Okay, let's do a quick swatch. Oh yes. Okay, so the first shade is going to be Enchantress, Queen, then Star, Diva, and these are like all the shimmer shades. And then the last two look like mattes. I'm trying to get like a really, yeah, that one looks like someone touched it. All right, anyway, let's see. Dark brown is Temptress. And then of course the blue, which I'm pretty sure everyone's dying about, is Femme Fatale. So that's that. These are from Luxie. They do have a wooden handle instead of like the, I mean, I'm pretty sure they're all wooden, but it feels like the texture of wood. This is a 3-piece Gaia set. I don't know if I'm saying that wrong. I probably am. But yeah, this retails for $30. So you got a foundation brush, which I would probably never ever use. It feels nice, just I would never use it. And then I think this is a blending. Yep, a large blending, and then a shader. No, this is a little crease brush. So yeah, those retail for $30. Then we have the Ofra Liquid Lip. I don't know, there's no name on it. There's no, oh, I like Santorini. It did look a little shimmery / metallic. But I mean, it's a pretty shade. Can't deny that. $20. It's supposed to be, let's see, vibrant colors, blah blah blah. No need to use lip liner. Mostly, I don't normally use lip liner anyway. And then the last one, which I'm a little bummed about, is the eyelash curler, and this is from Pure, $18. I'm pretty sure if I go to Walmart, I can buy an eyelash curler for half the price. I don't know. So, I mean, I'm kind of bummed out with this month's box a little bit. Between this and the brush set, is like, Anyway, so let's put all that aside and get into the eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm going to try to keep this as natural as possible. There are no transition shades really unless you use the blue. Just to be on the safe side, I'm going to grab another palette just for a transition shade because... So I'm just going to grab some taupey shade here. Taupey mauve, whatever. And I'm just going to slide that all in my eyes. Because it's supposed to be natural. Or at least like some kind of day look, like, I don't know. I just wanted a little something. Okay, so I'm gonna go into my lid shade. Because again, there's not many like options for stuff. So, oh, I almost forgot. They gave me this too. I will probably never use it. Some coupon facial at Ulta. It's useless to me. Oh, I'm gonna grab a spray. I averted disaster. I'll be right back. I have to grab the spray that fell on the floor. Now that I have my spray, I'm just gonna spray my brooks a little bit. And I'm gonna go in with that Queen shade. And I kind of want that all over my lid. It is a very pretty shade. Oh my gosh. Cannot deny that. So for most of you out there who don't like a lot of eye makeup, this could be it. You're just done. You're done. You know, just slapping it on the lid. I'm going to take a little further. And I'm going to go in with Enchantress. I'm going to use the same brush. I cleaned it. Yes, I cleaned it. And I'm going to go in with that lighter shade. And I just want it like in my inner corner. Oh my god, my eyes. I can't see. These light. Maybe if I shut this off. Just trying to add some brightness because, you know, we want to look awake. Now I'm going to go in with that brown Temptress shade. And I don't know if I want a fluffy, yeah, I'm going to use a fluffy brush for this to start because I don't want that much to be like, I don't know. I just want to use it. I don't want it to look too crazy, and I feel that might be what I need. It's that one. It's that one right there. I just want to like go over this smidge. Last step, I'm going to use the lipstick that I got. Maybe if I put a really thin layer, because normally I would like do more. It is very pretty. I will give it that. Does it go with the theme of all natural? No. I think instead of giving us color options, especially if you're going with a theme like natural, this is not natural. We should have just had neutrals, you know, but that's just my opinion. Just gonna spray my face and where is it? Where is the brush? Here we go. And that's it. This is the look that I got using the eyeshadow palette, the lipstick. I did not use the eyelash curler. And this will be another day. So if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on what you would like to see in your Boxycharm box. Subscribe to my channel, join my family, and I will see you guys in my next video.